When I woke up today, I saw that the S&P was down 1% to 1.2%, and I thought, okay, people are finally starting to see that it's overpriced and they are gonna sell. They're gonna sell. Today is the first day of a long process or a short process, but eventually we are probably gonna have that correction now, soon. I saw that the airlines were down double digits. I saw that Boeing was down 7 or 8%. And like everything was red. Right? And I really thought that today is the start of the correction of the market. Hi guys, Vaughn here. I hope you guys are doing well today. Today is quite a day. So let's start out with the S&P 500. See how it is doing. Okay, so this is the S&P 500, and when I woke up this morning and I saw the S&P futures, I thought, oh boy, today is gonna be a tough day. Look at it. It opens up at like -1%, and then it drops to like -1.2%-ish. I thought that today was gonna be a very, very bad day, and I really thought that today was gonna be the start of a correctional period. I'm not saying that it'll drop all the way back down to March, but I was thinking that it could drop around 3 to 4% within the week. 3 to 4%. Because it's already down like 1% today, so I thought it was gonna stay around 1.5. But little did I know that after that, it just started rallying up again. Up, down a little bit, and then it started going up. So currently, right now, around 2 hours before the closing of the bell, it is currently at -0.41. -0.41. If you guys take a look back at the whole month, right here around March 4th, it had a -0.5. And today, I thought we would have something more than 1%, but nope. Hey, we are gonna continue to rally, so it is at -0.41. It just doesn't seem to stop. It just really doesn't seem to stop. What is even more surprising, What's even more surprising is the NASDAQ. NASDAQ, all-time high. All-time high. And I really missed it. Like, I really thought that I was going to see the 10,000, but I just missed it by a couple minutes. But at the all-time high today, it hit over 10,000. The NASDAQ finally made it over 10,000 in the midst of this pandemic. So, yeah, crazy rally. Okay, so now let's talk about what is currently going on and why is it having a down day today when it's been having a positive day for the whole, 3 weeks. So realistically, I've been checking out all the news that I can find within the past few hours, and there is not one single news that really stands out of why the market is down. Of course, we have articles like this that reads, coronavirus infections are on the rise in 21 U.S. states, with cases spiking in California, Arizona, and North Carolina. There are plenty of those stories, but they've been around for quite a while now. The only reason of why I can think that the market is down today is because people think that the market might be a bit too high and it needs a little bit time to cool off. If you guys look at this, it looks okay. It looks fine. But if you take a 3-month look at it, it looks this curve up here, it looks pretty scary to me. Because it's not the news, okay? The news have been horrible ever since the pandemic started. If we look at the TSA data, we can see that over 400,000 people are flying in America again. So we are about 16 to 17% capacity of where we were last year. It is an improvement, but it's not like a major improvement. But even given that, there's no reason why the market would fall. The only reason is that people might think that we're overvalued. And then finally, we have crossed over 2 million coronavirus cases with 113,000 deaths. You would think that something like this would slow the market down, but nope. But we've had this for a very long time, so it doesn't even matter anymore. I feel like we don't even phase it anymore. The market just doesn't care. Okay, so that was the market in general, but what I also want to talk about today is the airlines and the cruises. Because the airlines and cruises are very, very hot topics and hot stocks. So, as you guys probably know, they're not doing very well today. The main reason why I thought that we would have a correction was that when I woke up today, okay, all the airlines, most of the cruises were down double digits. I really thought that today was going to be the start of the day where the airlines and the cruises finally drop down to a price that I can actually go in at. Well, that was my thinking anyway, and realistically, it still could. I mean, the airlines are still around 6, 7, 8, 9% down, like today. American Airlines is now down 9%. United Airlines is down 7%. Delta is down 8%, which is very, very weird. You usually don't see Delta dropping more than United Airlines, but there you go, right? Carnival and Royal Caribbean, they were down a lot this morning. They were down like double digits, 11, 12%. But now they're up to a negative 10%, so which isn't too bad. So overall, my general thoughts on today is that today is kind of like a hiccup. I mean, if it was down over 1%, then I would say that it would be the start of the correction. But I don't know, and I can't say that it is the start of the correction, and I can't say that it's not, but it doesn't seem to be any significant signs of a correction. And because if you guys look at the index have been down 0.5 to 0.6 before, and they still keep rallying up afterwards. And you guys can clearly see from the volume of the S&P 500 that the volume isn't that high. It's not very high at all. I mean, right here on June 4th, they had a higher volume, a way higher volume than right now. I would not be surprised if it does drop, but I would also not be surprised if it doesn't drop. So be careful out there. Be careful out there. Okay, so since it's been a while since I've shown you guys my account, I thought that today is a nice day to show you guys my account. Mainly because Ming Hu asked to see my portfolio yesterday. So, I mean, why not? I mean, I try to be very... I don't want to lie to you guys and tell you guys one thing and do another thing. So, here's my portfolio for today. So this is my portfolio. As you guys can see, I currently have $11,000. My total investment amount is still $9,000. The last time I showed you guys my portfolio, I think it was around $12,400. So I'm down around $1,400. As you guys can see, I am actually up $2,300 on gold's call options today. So just to be open to you guys, yesterday I had around $8,700-ish dollars in my account. So that would be that I would be down around a few $100s from my initial investment. So let's look at my positions and I'll tell you guys the whole story afterwards. Okay, so currently I have multiple call options open in gold. The call option that's going to expire soon is the June 19th in 2020, then there's a June 26th, 2020, then there's a July 17th, and then there's a January 15th, 2021. So you might be asking, why do I have so much gold options and why do I have all the different dates? Well, so if you guys didn't know, I pretty much sold off everything in my account around a week and a half ago. And since then, I have been buying gold because gold actually has an inverse relationship with the stock market. If the stock market is going down, gold is going up. And if gold is going up, stock market is going down. So pretty much the end of May, I sold most of my positions because I thought that the market was going down. But it turns out that it didn't. And then it just went up further and further and further. So let's look at the gold price and see what's happening. So right around here, around May 27th, I started buying more gold because I actually bought some gold positions up here when it was like $27, $28. So stupid. But anyways, as I saw it was dropping, like I bought more. It was like a few $100 to $1,000 in call options, and then it started dropping down. And then like once it dropped down here, like I was gonna say like okay, all right, let's just buy more. So then I bought more. Bought more, and then it went up, which was really really good. But then the next few days it dropped even lower, and like, oh my goodness, like why does it keep dropping? And that was the reason why my portfolio was down all the way to 7,000, 8,000, 7,000, because it just kept dropping, and like wow. But let's look at my current positions and see how I am doing. So these are my purchase prices, and these are how much they cost right now. This one, I bought this one around like a month and a half ago, 2 months ago, and it has been my worst investment for so bad. But anyways, I bought it at $5.45. Its current price right now is $1.67. Not very good. Currently, this is my other recent one. I bought it at $2.01. It is currently at $2.62, which is pretty good. I had a pretty good return. That my gain is 36%. And then this was actually my biggest purchase, $5,000. The other one was only $2,000-ish, but this is my biggest purchase, $5,000. Change, it's gained around 5%. Yeah, so it's pretty much even. It's pretty much even. I made like 5% profit on that. So not a big thing, nothing too big. And then finally, I bought a 2,000 gold call option for January 2021, because I still think that the market is still very uncertain, and that people will gravitate more towards gold if they feel that the stock market is gonna fall. So I still think that it's gonna go up by the end of the year. And I'll even show you my transactions, because why not, okay? It's a huge laugh. It's a huge laugh for me anyways. Okay, here's the transactions for the last 60 days. We don't need to go through all last 60 days. We just need to go through the last 2 weeks. Last 2 weeks is going to be very funny. Very funny. So, last 2 weeks, this was when I closed my positions. I sold my UCO. I sold my Virgin Galactic. I sold Virgin Galactic as even. UAL, United Airlines, I sold it for a big profit, like 50% profit. I spent like $5,000. I ended up with $7,400. So I got like a 50% profit, which is very, very good. But after that, nothing has been going right. Oh my goodness. All of my gold. All of my gold options. Okay, so on May 26th, I bought 15 contracts of May gold for $700. And then on May 29th, I sold it for $139. Yeah. I spent $800, sold it for $100. I spent a lot. I probably spent like $128 and sold it for $7. Oh boy, like it was just absolutely horrendous. So overall, in terms of the amount of money that I've lost in gold, the position that I've closed, I've lost around $1,100. No, actually, more like close to $2,000. Close to $2,000 in losses of the position that I've closed. So from my last video, I am probably down like $1,200 from the last video. That's because today was just a huge major rally for me. Today I made $2,500 today. So that was why I'm up so much. If I was going to show you guys yesterday, it was down $8,700. So alright, and that is it for me today. Thank you so much for watching, and if you guys like my video, please give it a thumbs up, please subscribe. I would be very, very grateful. And I'm trying to hit 1,000 subscribers by the end of August, and so I think I can do it. I just need to work a lot harder and give you guys value, information, or just give you guys entertainment. If you guys like watching my portfolio, how it goes up and down like crazy, Sure, why not? Yeah, but thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.